Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is trigonometry. Okay, in this trigonometry, we know about sine, cos, cot, tan. Okay, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. Okay, what is cosec? What is cosec? Cosec means 1 by sine. Okay, and sec means 1 by cos, and cot means 1 by tan. Okay, let it is the triangle. Okay, in this triangle, it is what type triangle? It is right type triangle. Okay, right type triangle means it is 90 degree. It is 90 degree. Then sum of this angle is 90. Means if if let it is 60 degree. Okay, then it is 30 degree. Okay, in triangle, sum of three angle is total 180 degree. Okay, then if 60 degree is here, 60 degree is here, then this value is 1, and 30 degree is here, then this value is root 3. Okay, that if it is 60 degree, okay, it is 90 degree. Right triangle, it is 90 degree always. It is 30 degree. Then it is this value is always root 3, and it is 1. Okay, that if this triangle, it is 45 degree, and it is 45 degree, it is 45, and it is 45. Okay, it is 90 degree. Then its value is 1, and its value is 1. Okay, now next, it is the triangle, right type triangle. It is 90 degree. Let it is 60 degree, and it is 30 degree. Okay, let look. If this angle face to this, angle face to this, look, angle face to this. Okay, angle face to this angle face to this, it is called height, and it is base, and it is hypotenuse. Okay, correct. Another, if this triangle rotate in a clockwise, then then rotate in clockwise, then 30 degree is here and 60 degree is here. Okay, 30 degree is here and 60 degree is here. It is 90 degree. If this angle face to this, it is height, it is base, and it is hypotenuse. Okay, look another one. If a angle, let in height and distance questions, let A, B, C. Let ABC angle let triangle ABC means A, B, C. Let ABC means we get only this angle. Look into this angle. In this angle, this angle face to this side. Then it is height, it is base, and it is hypotenuse. Okay. Look into another. It is the triangle. It is A, B, C. We get A, B, C. Sorry. ACB. Okay. A, C, B. Then we get this angle, and this angle face to this. This angle face to this. Then it is height. In this triangle, it is height and it is base, and it is hypotenuse. Okay. Let it is 60 degree. Then it is 30 degree, because in this triangle total degree is 180 degree and it is 90 degree. Okay, let if we get ACB, then look into this angle. If sine 60 degree, we find sine 60 degree, then what I do? Sine 60 means, what is sine? Sine means height divided by hypotenuse. Okay, height divided by hypotenuse means if height is AB, and hypotenuse means AC. Okay, let sine 60 degree value, we know sine 60 degree value. What is sine 60 degree value? √3/2. Okay, sine 0 is 0, sine 30 half, and sine 45 1/√2, and sine 60 degree √3/2, and sine 90 is 1. Sine 90 degrees undefined. How to it is undefined? Tan 90 degree is undefined. Why it is undefined? Because any number divided by 0 is equals to undefined. Okay, tan theta means Sin theta by cos theta. Okay, what is tan theta? Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. We know about that, that tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Okay, how to it is sin theta by cos theta? Sin theta means height sorry sin theta means height divided by hypotenuse, and cos theta means base divided by hypotenuse. Okay, equals to hypotenuse cancel, then height by base. Tan theta means height by base. Okay, okay, look into this. If tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta, then what? Tan 90 is equals to and undefined. How to? Sin 90 divided by cos 90. Okay, if sin 90 is equals to 1 and cos 90 value is 0, then it is undefined. Okay, how to it is? Sin theta by cos theta, any number divided by 0 is equals to undefined. Okay, sec 90 degree is equals to not defined, undefined. Okay, how to it is? Sec theta means 1 by cos theta. Okay, 1 by cos theta. Cos 90 is equals to 0. ठीक है, हम लोग को पता है cos 90 is equals to 0. Okay, तो sec 90 is equals to 1 by cos 90. Okay, means 1 by 0 is equal to undefined. Okay, correct. Okay, so sin 60 value, what is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Okay, sin 60 is equals to root 3 by 2. In this question, height and distance questions, if AB is give AB's value, let AB value is 3 meter, then AB value is 3 meter, and find AC. Okay, find AC, no, find, yes, find AC, then find AC. Okay, how to find AC? AC is equals to root 3 root 3 by 2 is equals to AB by C AC. Okay, AB by AC. So 3 meter is equals to root 3 into root 3. Okay, root 3 means what? 3 by half. Okay, 3 by half means root 3 into root 3 means 3 by half into 3 by half. Okay, means 3 half plus half. Okay, means 3 by 2, 1 plus 1, 2 equals to 1 equals to 3. Okay. So root 3 by 2 is equals to root 3 by AC. Okay. We root 3 cancel. Okay. So what is AC value? AC value is equals to root 3 into 2 equals to, okay. Clear? Next. In height and distance, two types of angle are here. Okay. One is the angle of elevation and one is angle of depression. Okay. What is the angle of elevation? Now, what is the angle of elevation? Look, what is angle of elevation? If it is ground, okay, it is ground. One man here, it is one man, and it is the building, and it is the flag. Okay, object, it is object, it is observer, observer. Okay, this man look into this flag. Okay, look into this flag, and it is the horizontal line of straight, horizontal line. Okay. It is horizontal line, horizontal line, horizontal line. Okay, it is horizontal line. It is observer, look into this object. Okay, fine. This angle called angle of elevation. Okay, it is called angle of elevation. Okay, it is angle of elevation. What is angle of elevation? Means if the point, it is point, okay, object point above the horizontal line, point above the horizontal line, it is angle of elevation. If point above the horizontal line, then it is angle of elevation. Now, what is angle of depression? That it is the building and it is object. Okay, object, it is object, okay, and it is observer, okay, observer, okay, it is observer. It is the point and it is the horizontal line. It is horizontal line. It is horizontal line. Okay. Observer, look into this. Look into this. Okay. Observer, look into this. Then make an angle. It is angle of depression. Okay, angle of depression. This angle is equal, always equal. Okay, this angle and this angle is always equal. This angle and this angle is always equal. Okay, it is the angle of depression. Angle of depression, and it is angle of elevation. Okay, clear? Angle of elevation and angle of depression. Now some question. Okay, look. How to it is solved? Okay. Okay, look. A tower stands vertically on the ground. A tower, it is the tower stands not vertically, theoretically. Okay, a tower uh, vertically stands in the ground. Okay, from a point on the ground which is 15 meter away from the foot to the tower. मतलब this distance to this distance is equals to 15 meter. Okay, okay, it is height of the tower. Okay, and then the angle of elevation, the top of the tower is found 60 degree. Okay, angle of elevation मतलब if it is horizontal line and point above, then angle of elevation point here. Okay, it is called angle of elevation. If point below of a horizontal line, then angle of depression. But in this question, angle of elevation, then point is above and it is angle of elevation. Okay, angle of elevation is 60 degree. It is the height of the tower. Okay, and it is the hypotenuse of this triangle. Yes. Okay, it is triangle, it is hypotenuse, it is height, and it is base of this triangle. Okay, so now find the height of the tower. How to it is solved? We get sine, let in it is A, B, C. Let A, C, B. Okay, we taking sine, we don't taking sine 60 degree. Why? Sine 60 degree means root 3 by 2 is equals to sine matlab height उच्चता, height divided by hypotenuse. Okay, height divided by hypotenuse. But in this question, base is here, base given 15 meter given. 10, what is 10? 10 means height by base. Okay, 10 60 degree is equals to height by base. Height by base means AB by CB. Okay, 10 60 degree, what is that value of 10 60 degree? 10 60 degree root 3. Okay, it is root 3. 10 60 degree root 3, and AB is the height of this tower. AB is the height of this tower, and CB is 15 meter. Okay, the height of the tower is equal to 15 root 3 meter. Okay, correct. Now next question, easy, bilkul easy. A tower stands vertically on the ground. A tower vertically stands in the ground. Okay, from a point on the ground, 15 meter away from the foot of the tower. Okay, 15 meter away from the tower, matlab base, it is base of this triangle. Okay, it is tower, it is the horizontal line, matlab ground, it is ground, and it is hypotenuse. Okay, then we let angle ACB, a triangle ACB, let a triangle ACB. Okay, triangle ACB is equal to 10 60 degree. matlab in this angle, it is height, it is base, and it is hypotenuse. In this triangle, it is height, it is base, and it is hypotenuse. Okay, then we let 10 60 degree. Why we let 10 60 degree? Why not sin 60 degree? Because in this question, ground below is here. Okay, 15 meter ground below means base below. In this triangle, base below is here. Okay, base below is here, and height is, and find height. Okay, find height. हाइट है हमारे पास, हाइट है, बेस है. ठीक है, तो हमको टावर ऑफ द हाइट मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, इसलिए हम लोग 10 लिया था. ठीक है, इसलिए हम लोग साइन नहीं लिया, क्योंकि इसमें हाइपोटेन्यूज गिवन नहीं है. ओके, हाइपोटेन्यूज गिवन नहीं है. हमको एक वैल्यू हमारे पास है. क्या वैल्यू है? बेस बिलो हमारे पास है. ओके, बेस बिलो हमारे पास है. ठीक है, तो हाइट बाय बेस इज इक्वल्स टू 10. तो 10 60 डिग्री, एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन 60 डिग्री. ओके, मतलब 60 डिग्री, एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन 60 डिग्री, tan 60 degree is equals to AB by CB. Okay, then tan 60 degree value is root 3, and AB by CB, AB is equals to H, and CB is equals to 15 H. Okay, next question. वीडियो को पॉज करने के बाद ट्राई करना. ठीक है, कैसे करना है ट्राई करना, फिर वीडियो देखना. ठीक है, देखो क्या है इसमें. फ्रॉम ए पॉइंट 375 meters away from the foot of a tower, the same question, the top of the tower is observed at an angle of elevation of 45 degree, then the height of the tower is, same question, height of the tower, height of the tower, it is the tower. Okay, let it is H, it is base a point 375 meter away from the foot of a tower, matlab base 375, a point Okay. Top the tower is observed. Top the tower is observed. Top the tower is observed. Okay. Angle of give angle of elevation means point above. If it is horizontal line, point is above, then it is angle of elevation. Angle of elevation value. What is the value of angle? 10 45 degree. Sorry, 45 degree. Okay. Let A B C. Okay. 375 meter given. Okay. In this triangle, let angle ACB. In this ACB, it is 45 degree, means in this 45 degree face to this, it is height. If angle face to this, angle face to this, देखो, angle face to this, it is height. Okay, it is height. Okay, angle face to this, it is height. Okay, angle face to this, it is height. Okay, clear? ठीक है. 10. अभी क्या लेना पड़ेगा? साइन ना 10 ना कॉस. हाइपोटेन्यूज का वैल्यू नहीं है हमारा पास. We don't know hypotenuse value. Only given base value, okay, and angle, and we find height of this tower. Okay, so 10 45 degree is equals to height divided by AB by CB. Okay, height by base. 1045 below is 1. Okay, 1045 below 1. क्या हुआ? 1045 below is 1. Okay, 1045 below is 1. And AB, what is AB? AB is H and CB is 375. Okay, the height of this tower is H is equals to 375 meter. Okay, correct. Next question. Two angle given. Okay, on the level of ground on the level ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower is 30 degree. Okay, tower, it is ground. It is ground. Okay, top of a tower is 30 degree. Angle of elevation top of a tower is 30 degree. Okay, it is 30 degree. On moving 20 meter nearer, on moving 20 degree nearer, on moving 20 degree nearer. Okay, moving 20 degree nearer बोलते मतलब 20 degree nearer, it is A B C. On moving 20 meter nearer in this point, and it is D. It is the nearer point of tower. Okay, nearer, the angle of elevation is 45 degree. Angle of elevation is 45 degree. Okay, it is 20 meter. Okay, 20 meter. It is the height. Let it is x meter. Okay, firstly ADB, we let ADB angle ADB. In this ADB, tan 45 degree. Why we let tan 45 degree? Because base is given. Okay, tan 45 degree means AB by DB. AB tan 45 degree means 1, and AB means H, and DB means X. Okay, let in this triangle ACB, just A angle ACB. ACB. In this ACB, okay, what is height, what is base? Height is H and base is 20 plus X. CB is equals to CD plus DB. Okay, CD means 20 plus DB means X. Okay, in this question, base is 20 plus X and height is H. ACB मतलब 30 degree, let 30 degree, and it is the height. This angle face to this side, face to this, it is height and it is base. Okay, 10 30 degree, 30 degrees equals to AB by CB. AB by CB. Okay, 10 30 मतलब √3 by 2. Okay, √3 by 2. 10 30 sorry, 10 30 is equals to 1 by √3. Sorry, 10 30 मतलब 1 by √3. AB मतलब H, height of the tower, and CB means CD plus DB मतलब 20 plus X, 20 plus X. In this question, H is equals to X. Okay, in this equation, it is 1. H is equals to X. So this H is equals to X. 1 by √3 is equals to X, 20 plus X from equation 1. Okay, how to solve it? 20 plus X is equals to √3x. Okay, √3x यहाँ से यहाँ चला जाएगा. ठीक है, √3x minus x is equals to 20. Okay, let x common, √3 -1 is equals to 20. X is equals to 20 divided by √3 minus 1. If √3 minus 1, then √3 plus 1 is here and √3 plus 1. Okay. It is okay ना? √3 plus 1, √3 plus 1 कट जाएगा, ठीक है। तो in this question, √3 minus 1 into √3 plus 1 means a minus b into a plus b, मतलब a square minus b square. ओके, मतलब √3 square minus 1 square is equals to 20 √3 minus 1. ओके, √3 square मतलब 3 minus 1, 20 √3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 means 2. 2 divided by 20 means 10 √3 minus 1. Okay, x value is 10 √3 minus 1. Then what is the height of the uh, height of this tower? H is equals to x, मतलब h is equals to x, मतलब s is equals to 10 10 √3 minus 1, मतलब h is equals to √3 minus 1 into 10. Okay, √3 value is 1.732 something शायद. Okay, -1 10, तो 10 से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा? 17.3 एंड -10 मतलब 7.3 समथिंग, 7.3 मीटर का आसपास होगा वैल्यू। ओके, ठीक है। ये है हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस, ठीक है। कल हम लोग करेंगे एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन का कुछ न्यूमेरिकल, ठीक है। हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस बहुत ही अच्छा टॉपिक है ट्रिगोनोमेट्री का, वो बेसिक है मैथमेटिक्स का। हाँ, मैथमेटिक्स बहुत ही अच्छा सब्जेक्ट है, देखो करो। और कल हम लोग करेंगे एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन का कुछ न्यूमेरिकल, ठीक है। आज के लिए इतना ही, और अच्छा लगे तो सब्सक्राइब और लाइक दे देना, ठीक है। थैंक यू सो मच, ऑल द बेस्ट, गुड बाय।